सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए ताकि हमारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले मिलते रहे।
Hey friends, welcome to video number 63. This video topic is how to compare your program when you modified the program for any reason. Okay, so I have that. This is very interesting video, friends. So do not skip the video. Okay, let's try to watch full video so that you can get the full knowledge. Okay, so our topic is how to compare the program if we want to modify some of the program. Okay, so I have two folders here. This is original copy of the program which I copied. Okay, then I want to copy some I want to edit something inside the program, so I did same copy here. So I will open the copy. Okay, WordPad. Okay, okay, then you can see here, this is a program, this is my program. You can see here, this is very lengthy program, and if I edit something here, so I have to edit k00, maybe k00 here. I just adding some words. Okay, for comparison, y00 maybe, so you can add according to your whatever requirements. So I have added here maybe b00, m08. Okay, maybe here will be z500. This is for example only. Okay, this is not a real NC. Okay, I'm adding some um, regular words inside the program. Okay, for just comparison. Okay, not for your programming. Okay, so I have just saved it. So I did modification in my program which we already did a lot of time. So right now this one folder having original copy of the program, and this one folder having a program which I modified. Okay, so right now I want to compare two files. So there is one software called Beyond Compare. Okay, so by installing this software you can compare this. Okay, so this one is the software. Okay, and this software called Beyond Compare. So you have to go session, new session, then simply go for the text compare. There are a lot of options are there, mp3 and folder compare. This folder compare can use if you have a number of programs in your folder. Right now I have one program only, so I will just go for the text compare. Okay, so I'm here, so I will open. This is one program, and this is second program for the comparison. So I will just go for the folder, then I will choose my folder. Okay, this is there are two folders, so I will open original. I will click and open. So this program is getting opened here. Okay, so I will just compare, select second program which I modified, the modified one, 205, open. So you can see here, you can simply see here there are two programs. This one is original program and this one is modified, as you can see here written. Okay, so if you go left side, you can see some red marks here, some red lines here. This red line means there is a difference between the two lines, this side and this side. Okay, so if you can go here, this is k00, here k00, here you don't have a k00. This is your original and this is a edited program by you. Okay, so you can find k00 added here additionally, here is not k00. Then y00 added here, here is not. Okay, then m0 something I written here wrongly. Okay, this is not okay codes, but just for comparison. Okay, then z500. So accordingly you can just see this red mark alphabets and numericals are the difference between the two programs. So you can easily find out what I edit inside the program. If you want to, if you don't want to scroll down here, just go to the drift. You can see here the four lines having a difference in whole program. Okay, so if you go here, there are multiple thousands lines in this program. You can see here the, but only selecting drift, it will show the lines which having uh, uh, a difference between two programs. So you can see here k0000. Again, if you want to copy something from this to this. Okay, like I select here, so you can see the copy and arrow is this side, means this text will be copied into this program. If I select this file, the arrow will be this side. Okay, so this text will be copied here. So I will just select here and click on copy. So you can see this K00 copied here. I think this whole line is copied here, okay, but these two words are already written, so we can say that K00 copied. If you want to copy this line into this, okay, so just copy, this line will be copied here, okay, then just you can say save and save. Okay, so there are only two atoms remaining which having a difference. So this is for a text compare. If you want to compare a folder, okay, so just go new session and say folder compare. You want to select a folder, okay, so here you get the program, the original, okay, so this folder is already imported here. So this is synced window, just go there, program, then modified, okay, okay. So you can see here, if your folder having 10 programs each, then you can just see all programs here, okay. I have only one program, so this folder having only one. When I select this program, okay, one more thing, friends, if it is red, means this files having something different. If it is black, if you have a 10 programs here, 10 files here, and some files are what we can say black, so this files having don't having any difference. So but this file having a red mark, so you can say that this is having a something difference, okay. So just go all and drift, you can say that this is a difference, okay. So I just copy it both, okay. I will make it both same, so you can see here no difference. And if you go here, the color will be changed to the black, so it means it don't have any difference, okay. So like that you can use this software for your program comparison very easily. Maybe this software is not open source software, this is a purchasable software, you can purchase from the site, and the software name is Beyond Compare, okay friends. So I think you got all the knowledge regarding this software. I hope so you understood very well. If you not, please comment on comment box, maybe I will answer. Okay friends, see you in next video. Until now, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you very much.